Hey there! Today we're diving into something pretty exciting, UniBuilder AI. It's got quite a buzz because of its unique selling point. Have you heard of it?
Yeah, I have.
It caught my attention with that promise of building agentic, brandable sites by cloning existing ones in just 60 seconds. Sounds like a game changer, right?
Totally.
The idea of a one-time purchase at $35 for founding access is pretty attractive, especially since it eliminates those pesky monthly fees.
Right? Plus, it's perfect for those wanting to get into website creation without huge upfront costs. The real hook for me, though, is the agentic content feed.
Agreed. It finds zero competition keywords and identifies breaking news angles and marketplace opportunities.
It's like having a personal content strategist guiding you on what to target.
Exactly, and it ranks those ideas so you can focus on creating content that's more likely to succeed. But let's talk features. The website cloning is pretty neat, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's a feature a lot of developers and marketers dream of, being able to clone a proven site and customize it to fit your niche or client needs. Just imagine how much time that can save.
And for those in affiliate marketing, the auto-affiliate link injection is a game changer. No more manually adding codes or worrying about errors.
Yep, and for folks managing multiple sites, its RSS compatibility with existing sites is super handy. You can seamlessly integrate the new content without headaches.
Plus, that's not all. There are done-for-you proven templates, meaning you don't start from scratch. It feels like they've thought of everything a budding website creator needs.
I think the AI page editor is a standout too. It gives you the flexibility to customize content to the next level, and the output is neat, clean static HTML, which is ideal for quick, reliable site performance.
And for those who've been using Netlify, the fact that it's ready for deployment there is a huge plus. You can get your site live with just a few clicks.
So, say you're starting an affiliate review site or setting up a local lead gen webpage. This tool's versatility means you're covered across a range of site types.
Precisely, whether it's product comparison pages, SaaS marketing sites, niche blogs, funnels, or even directories. It's super versatile.
I guess one potential downside is that it might be overwhelming for true beginners without any web experience, despite its simplicity. What do you think?
That's true, it might take a little exploring before everything truly clicks, especially if you haven't worked with tech like this before. But the 30-day money-back guarantee gives some peace of mind while you're testing the waters.
That's a great point. In terms of use cases, I could see small business owners, content creators, and affiliate marketers really benefiting from this tool. Maybe even freelance web developers looking to broaden their service offerings.
Definitely, and let's not forget about entrepreneurs who need to quickly pivot their website focus based on market trends. The zero competition keyword feature is like having a secret weapon.
Plus, you can run it with your API keys at a low per article cost, which makes scaling content surprisingly budget-friendly.
Do you see any limitations here?
The primary limitation might be for those looking for highly complex customized features, as they'd need more than the templates provided. But again, for the price and the features offered, that's a small trade-off.
True. So, in conclusion, UniBuilder AI really stands out as a remarkable tool in its category. Offering a robust package without monthly costs is a huge pull.
Agreed. Whether you're just starting or looking to add efficiency and strategy to your existing setup, this tool does it all without breaking the bank. The combination of cloning, customization, and strategic insights is just too good to pass up.
Looking forward to seeing how people use it to create and optimize their sites. If you're keen to take your website efforts to the next level, UniBuilder AI might just be the solution you're looking for.
Absolutely. And with that 30-day money-back guarantee, testing the waters couldn't be easier. Happy site building.
Enjoy, everyone. Let's see what you create.
In conclusion, UniBuilder AI really stands out as a remarkable tool in its category.
If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.